Welcome back, my portable power people. We are checking out more BLUETTI solar panels, and they gave us a promo code to hand off to you guys. Adventure Tech, use this promo code to get an additional discount, plus help support our channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. Just use the links in the comments if you're in a hurry. Get right over to this page and find these deals. For everybody else, we're going to be taking a close look at BLUETTI's 200-watt solar portable solar panel. The quick rundown is IP67 dust and water resistance, great resistance in any environment. It's got an adjustable angle on it, which is nice. You really don't see that on any of these, so the adjustable angle is really good to have. You can use this anywhere you want because it's got ETFE coating on it, very durable and efficient, and it's got MC4 connectors, so you can connect this solar panel to pretty much any equipment. Comes with a 12-month warranty, which is really nice to have. It gives you a good peace of mind. You know you're going to use it a lot in that first year anyways. Maximize solar energy utilization. Introducing BLUETTI's 200-watt portable solar panel, your ultimate companion for off-grid adventures and sustainable energy solutions. Harness the power of the sun with its impressive 200-watt solar capacity and up to 23.4 conversion rate, which is very high. It's on the high end of what you can get. It enables efficient charging for your solar generators while maximizing environmental impact. Whether you're camping in the wilderness, exploring the great outdoors, or preparing for emergencies with limited access to electricity, the BLUETTI 200-watt solar panel ensures you stay powered wherever you go. Easy mobility, easy power. Foldable and lightweight design offers unparalleled mobility, making it a breeze to transport and set up wherever the sun shines. Experience the freedom of next-level solar power during outages at home and off-grid lifestyle. Superior performance, unmatched durability. Featuring ETFE coating, the 200-watt solar offers IP67 rating water resistance, ensuring exceptional performance and durability even in harsh conditions. With built-in monocrystalline solar cells boasting up to 23.4 conversion efficiency, it makes the most of solar energy to charge your device efficiently. And this is universal compatibility because it's got the MC4 connectors. It's going to work great for most portable power stations because it's only a 200-watt solar panel, which is great because you cannot use larger solar panels on small portable power stations. This is a great ideal size, and if you get a couple of these, you can run them together and use them for your larger portable power stations as well. This is one of BLUETTI's top-rated products, and they got really good discount going on right now, and it's why you're seeing it on the channel. Plus, you can use the promo code AdventureTech, get an additional discount on top of that. Use the links in the comments or description to get over this page, get a good deal, and help support our channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. You can subscribe 100% for free just by clicking the subscribe button. Make sure to click that bell icon though, and you can be one of the first people to hear about these limited deals.